In 2021, we have been preaching conversion rate optimization. In 2021, we have been preaching conversion rate optimization. Right? We know that email will always convert higher than paid traffic, than even sometimes direct traffic. It's always going to be one of your highest converting channels. So when it comes to e-commerce, why is having automated email flows so important? And first, explain to me what they are and maybe some of the most important ones that need to be implemented.
Right. Well, having automated email flows covers one of the most important aspects of online marketing, and that one that often gets overlooked, and that's the actual nurture. So somebody finds your website, that's great. That's, you're already halfway there. They need to actually make the purchase, and if you're like me, you're not making a purchase on the first click, especially if you're having a higher price point item. If you're like me, you're doing your research, you're comparing to different brands, or maybe you're just not ready to pull the trigger right at that moment. And it's that period of consideration that's where you're going to lose 60, 70% of your customers. And that's where email comes in. So having things like a welcome series, a abandoned cart email flows, even things like thank you email flows are going to help with the aspects of your sales prospect that get ignored. Your customer lifetime value, your average order value, things that beyond just that first direct touch point and that first sale.